Stop killing plants. About 80% of the plants grown on planet Earth are actually fed to animals that are also killed. So it's like doing double, actually way more than double the damage. So yeah, so if you care about plants and you don't think we should kill them, or you think we should kill fewer of them, if that's what you care about, you're a plants' right activist. And if that's true, you should stop eating animals because most plants are fed to animals. Every year we kill about 80 billion with a B animals a year. So all you have to do is stop doing that, and you don't have to feed all of them all the time. You see? Because a cow eats more than you, right?